You guys remember before we placed an order, right, we had 987 followers, right? So all we need to do right now is for us to refresh to know if these followers have started coming. Right here you can see we currently have 1020 followers. You can see right here. So let's quickly go to the account itself to actually confirm when these followers came in right here. So let's go and boom, let's check the notification. You can see right here, boom, you can see new follower. This particular one just entered 2 seconds ago, 3 seconds ago. Now all these followers just came in now. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Instagram followers the right way in 2026. All you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end, as I'm going to be introducing you guys to this website called growbetter.net, as you can see here on the screen, right? The link to the website is in the description. All you need to do is for you to actually create an account and do exactly the same thing I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So let's create an account. You know, if you want to create an account, all you need to do is to come to this sign up right here. Can you see this sign up right here? Tap on it. Once you tap on sign up, it will bring you to this place right here. As you can see right here, all you need to do is for you to create a username and put your email right here and confirm, create a password and confirm your password right here. And the next thing you need to do is for you to click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. But because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right here is for me to log into my account and start showing you guys exactly how to buy Instagram followers the right way. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account, right? So all I need to do if I want to buy Instagram followers, for me to come to this category right here. Can you see this category right here? Tap on it. And once you tap on it, you just need to scroll and look for Instagram followers. You can see Instagram followers right here. You know, I normally use this particular one, this Instagram followers non-drop new premium. This particular one right here. All I need to do is to tap on it and come to this service right here. Select any preferable service you want, but I like using the first one, right? Then read the description. Description stated that this is Ultra Premium non-drop. It also stated that it starts within 0 to 30 minutes and deliver speed is 30k, and the deliver speed is 5,000 followers a day, right? You can actually get up to 5,000 followers a day, and refill is 30 days. They say minimum of 50 and a max of 45k. So the minimum you can order is 50 and the max you can order is 45k. They say the quality is high quality. They say important note, your order will be completed correctly only if you will use the correct link. You know, the link has to be at username/instagram.com username, you know that way. And they also say if you will use any of this type of link, for example instagram.com account login test username, your order won't be completed correctly. No cancellation in such cases. Be attentive. So you shouldn't worry about this because I'm going to show you guys how to copy this link, right? So you shouldn't worry about it. So the next thing we need to do is to come to display the root link and paste our link. And right now I'll show you guys how to copy the link. So all you need to do is to use another Instagram account and search for the account that you want to use, right? So right now this particular account is the one I want to go to. So I've searched for it, Grow Better, and once you search on the account, just enter the account and come right here. You can see these 3 dots right here. Can you see these 3 dots right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, come to this copy link, copy URL, profile URL right here, copy profile URL. Tap on it and your link is copied, and come back to Grow Better and paste your link, and you can see it has instagram.com/growbetter, blah blah blah. So then the next thing you need to do right here is for you to come right here and put quantity. In this video I'm going to be putting only 100, right? Remember this particular account has 987 followers before we place order, so we'll be expecting 1,000 plus followers right now. So I'm going to be so after I put my quantity, the next thing I need to do is for me to actually come to this submit right here and then tap on it. And once you tap on submit, right, the next thing you need to do is for you to actually assess patient. These followers are going to come into your account. But before then, you need to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how do you fund an account in this platform is very easy. All you need to do is to come to this 3 line up here. Can you see this 3 line up here? Tap on it and come to this left hand side, right? You can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, come and click on this dot right here. Can you see this dot right here? Tap on it. You see Pay and manual. I'm going to show you guys how to use both of them. Select Pay, then put the amount you want to use and click on pay, and Pay is going to ask you how would you like to make payment? You know, we don't want debit card, bank transfer, or bank. If you select debit card, put your card details and click on pay. If you want to use bank transfer, select bank transfer, read all this instruction right here, click on I understand instruction, click on continue, and Corapay is going to create account number for you that you're going to make payment to. Just make this a payment to the account number. You don't need to do anything, it will automatically rotate and your account will be funded. Right, let me show you guys how to use manual. If you want to use manual, all you need to do is to come select manual, and once you select manual, the next thing you need to do basically is for you to just come right here, read the instruction. Instruction state make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number. They say do not send below 1,000 because you won't be refunded. They say provide proof for payment screenshot your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin, contact us. So all you need to do basically is either you click on this contact us or you click on this WhatsApp icon right here and send them a message and send them your proof of payment and your GrowBetter username. They're going to confirm your payment. Easy peasy. So right, so all we need to do right now, so this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So the next thing we need to do is for us to go back to Instagram to know if these followers have started coming in, right? You guys remember before we placed an order, right, we had 987 followers, right? So all we need to do right now is for us to refresh to know if these followers have started coming. So guys, right here you can see we currently have 1,020 followers. You can see right here. So let's quickly go to the account itself to actually confirm when these followers came in right here. So let's go and boom, let's check the notification. You can see right here, boom, you can see new follower. This particular one just entered 2 seconds ago, 3 seconds ago. Now all these followers just came in now. So this is exactly the right way to buy Instagram followers in 2026. All you need to do is to come to this website, create an account, do exactly the same thing I just did, and you'll be able to get these followers, right? So make sure that you click in the link in the description. It's going to take you to the website. So thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.